Analysis of heat transfer problems in film. First problem: heat is generated in large plate K equal to 0.8 watt per meter degree centigrade at a rate of 4000 watt per meter cubed. The plate is 25 centimeter thick. The outside surface of the plate are exposed to ambient air at 30 degree centigrade with a convection heat transfer coefficient 20 watts per meter square degree centigrade. Model the wall using 4 heat transfer elements and determine the first one, the temperature distribution in the wall. Second one, to find the heat flux. Number C, heat loss from the right side of the wall surface. In this one given diagram, this is the wall, this is the thermal conductivity K, this is the thickness 25 centimeter axis. The h comma t infinity, this is the h comma t infinity. Given data, thermal conductivity of material K is equal to 0.8 watt per meter degree centigrade. Next, rate of heat Q is equal to 4000 watt per meter cube, and the thickness L is equal to 25 centimeter. To convert the meters, all values are meters, that's why I am converting meters. 25 centimeter, that means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meters. That is 25 into 10 power minus 2 meters, that is 0.25 meters. And the heat transfer coefficient H is equal to 20 watt per meter square degree centigrade. And also given the plate are exposed to the ambient air at 30 degree centigrade, means T infinity is given 30 degree centigrade. Condition: condition. Model the wall using 4 heat transfer elements. Model the wall using 4 heat transfer elements. 4 heat transfer elements. Solution. First step 1, discretize the FEM model. Discretize the problem. First of free bar diagram. This is the wall. We can condition model the wall using 4 heat transfer elements, that is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. These are the 4 elements, that is K1 K2 K3 K4, and the temperatures T1 T2 T3 T4 and T5. This is the H comma T infinity, H comma T infinity. This is the conduction and convection. Because of the value T infinity is the outer surface is exposed, and the T infinity is the, and the for given problem the outside surface of the plate are exposed to the ambient air at 30 degrees centigrade, and convection heat transfer. Use convection. This is the convection given problem, that is this is also convection and conduction. This is the conduction. This is also conduction. First, second, third, and fourth, and 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This is the nodes. 1 2 3 4. This is the elements. This one length is given at 25 centimeters. To convert to meters, 0.25 meters. For each element, 0.25 by 4, that is 0.0625 meters. That is each length is 0.0625. This is the 0.0625. This is the 0.0625. This is the 0.0625. In this nodes and the elements, having 5 elements, 5 nodes, 4 elements. The elements is round up. Step 2, stiffness matrix. Stiffness matrix for element 1. This one, first element, conduction process. This is having 2 process, conduction and convection. First, conduction. Conduction equation, K1 of 1 equal to K1 A1 by L1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. K1 is 0.8 into what is the area means there is no given of area. We can assume area is 1 meter by length is 0.0625 meters. 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, that is 12.8. 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. K1 of 1 equal to 12.8 minus 12.8 minus 12.8 12.8. In this K1 between the 1 and 2 node for element 1 1 2 1 2. For element 1 convection, in this one K1 of 2 equal to H into A 1 0 0 0. Know that H heat transfer coefficient 20. Here I is assumed as 1 1 0 0 0, that is 20 0 0 0. Why? Because 1 0 0 0 means in this one conversion process at the node 1 only, because of I am taking 1. Suppose the conversion process is fourth one taking 0 0 0 1. First of all, the convection process at node 3, suppose for example 0 0 1 0, like this. Combining matrix K1 is equal to K1 of 1 plus K1 of 2, that is K1 equal to, and taking this is also 1 no 1 2, the node between for element 1, the node between 1 and 2 nodes, that is 1 2 1 2. At the node 1 1 12.8, in this one 1 1 plus 20 1 2 minus 12.8 1 2 plus 0, next 2 1 minus 12.8 2 1 plus 0, next 2 2 12.8 2 2 in this one plus 0, that is 32.8 minus 12.8 minus 12.8 plus 12.8, 1 and 2. Stiffness matrix for element 2, that is only the conduction process. Equation K2 equal to K2 E2 by L2 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. K2 K1 is equal to K2 is this one, K1 equal to K2 is equal to K3 is equal to K4 is equal to K is equal to this one, K1 equal to 0.8 into 1 by L is 0.0625, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, that is K2 is same as K1 of 1, 12.8 minus 12.8 minus 12.8 12.8. In this one K2 for element 2 between the nodes 2 and 3, that is indicates 2 3 2 3. Similarly for element 3 K3 equal to element 3 also only conduction. The conduction equation K3 is equal to K3A3 by L3 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. This is the 0.8 into 1 by 0.0625. 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. This is also 12.8 minus 12.8, 12 minus 12.8, 12.8. K3 equal to 12.8 minus 12.8 minus 12.8, 12.8. Between the nodes 3 and 4, that is 3, 4, 3, 4. Element 4 having two processes in this one, conduction and convection. First of all, for conduction, equation K4 of 1 equal to K4 A4 by L4, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Similarly, 12.8 minus 12.8 minus 12.8, 12.8. Between the nodes, the element 4 between the node 4 and 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. For element 4, convection, K4 of 2 equal to HA into 0, 0, 0, 1. At the convection process is at the end. I am taking 0, 0, 0, 1. H is equal to 20, A is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That is 0, 0, 0, 20. K4 of 2, K4 of 2 equal to 0, 0, 0, 2, 0. The elements 4, 5 and 4, 5. Matrix K4 equal to K4 of 1 plus K4 of 2. K4 is equal to 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4, 12.8 plus 0 minus 12.8 plus 0, 5, 4 minus 12.8 plus 0, 5, 5, 12.8 plus 20. That is K4 is equal to 12.8 minus 12.8 minus 12.8, 32.8. Notes 4, 5, 4, 5. Step 3, global stiffness matrix equal to, first of all, having 5 nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Matrix first 1, 1, 1, 1 is 32.8, 1, 2 minus 12.8, 1, 3, there is no 1, 3, 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 5, 0. 2, 1, 2, 1 is minus 12.8. Next 2, 2 is 2, 2, 12.8. In this one 2, 2, 2, 2, 12.8. 12.8 plus 12.8. Next 2, 3 is 2, 3, 2, 3 minus 12.8. 2, 3 is minus 12.8. 2, 4 is 0, 2, 5 is 0. 3, 1, 3, 1, 0. 3, 2 is minus 12.8. minus 12.8. 33 is 12.8. Next, for element 3, 33 plus 12.8. 34 minus 12.8. 35 is 0. Next, 41 is 0. 42 is 0. 43 is minus 12.8. 44 is 12.8. This one 44 is plus 12.8. 45 is minus 12.8. Next, 51 0, 52 0, 53 0, 54 minus 12.8. 55 32.8.
Okay.
K equal to 32.8 minus 12.8. 0 0 0, same, minus 12.8. 12.8 plus 12.8, 25.6. minus 12.8. 0 0 0, minus 12.8. 25.6 minus 12.8. 0 0 0, minus 12.8. 25.6 minus 12.8. 0 0 0, minus 12.8. 32.8. Step 4, global temperature vector. T equal to T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. Step number 5, heat load vector for each element. R is equal to QAL by 2 to 1 1. R1 is equal to Q1 A1 L1 by 2 to 1 1. That is 4000 into area is 1, length is 0.0625 by 2 into 1 1. This value becomes R1 is equal to 125 125. 1 1 1 2 for element 1 between the node 1 and node 2. R2 equal to Q2 A2 L2 by 2 to 1 1, that is 4000 into 1 into 0.0625 divided by 2 to 1 1. R2 is equal to 125 125. So between the nodes 2 and 3. Similarly, R3 is equal to 4000 into 1 into 0.0625 by 2 to 1 1, that is equal to 125 125. So element 3 between the nodes 3 and 4. R4 equal to 4000 into 1 into 0.0625 by 2 1 1, 125 and 125. For element 4 between the nodes 4 and 5. 6, global heat load vector. Equal to the 1 1 2 3 4 5 is first 1 is 125, 2 125 is also 2 plus 125, 3 is 125, 3 is 125, 125 plus 125, 4 125 plus 125, and 5 125. This is becomes 125, 250, 250, 250, 125. This is for conduction. For convection, global heat load vector, convection global heat load vector, R is equal to 125 plus HA T infinity, 250, 250, 250, 125 plus HA T infinity. In the convection process, at the node 1 or the node 5 is the convection process, because I am adding convection process HAT infinity, HAT infinity. In this one, 125 plus H means 30 into H is 125 plus 20 into 30. Next 250, 250, 250, 125 plus 20 into 30. The area assume as 1. R equal to 2 3 600 plus 125, 725, 250, 250, 250 and 725. Number 7. Homogeneous equation or stiffness equation. K into T equal to R equal to 32.8 minus 12.8, 0, 0, 0, minus 12.8, 25.6, minus 12.8, 0, 0, 0, minus 12.8, 25.6, minus 12.8, 0, 0, minus 12.8, 0, 0, minus 12.8, 25.6, minus 12.8, 0, 0, 0, minus 12.8, 32.8. to T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. That is equal to R equal to 250, 250, 250 and 725. To solving T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 is very difficult to solving this method, because of I am using solving the modified system of linear equation by using Gaussian elimination method. By using Gaussian elimination method. 32.8 minus 12.8 0 0 0 minus 12.8 25.6 minus 12.8 0 0 0 minus 12.8 25.6 minus 12.8 0 0 0 minus 12.8 25.6 minus 12.8 0 0 0 minus 12.8 32.8, and the constants is written as constants 725 250 250 and 250 and 725. Gaussian elimination method means below the diagnosed elements is 0. R2 tends to 32.8 R2 plus 12.8 R1. Matrix becomes 32.8 minus 12.8 0 0 0. This is 32.8 into minus 12.8 plus 12.8 into 32.8. Next 32.8 into 25.6 plus 12.8 into minus 12.8. 32.8 into how much? Minus 12.8 0 0. Next 0 minus 12.8 25.6 minus 12.8 0. Next 0 0 minus 12.8 25.6 minus 12.8 0 0 0 minus 12.8 32.8 and 725. Next 32.8 into 250 into plus 12.8 into 725 250 250 725. 32.8 minus 12.8 0 0 0. This is becomes 0. 32.8 into total this value becomes 675.84 minus 419.84 0 0. Next 0 minus 12.8 25.6 minus 12.8 0 0 0 minus 12.8 25.6 minus 12.8 0 0 0 12.8 minus 12.8 32.8. This value 725. This value 17480 250 250. This is 725. Next this value becomes 0. R3 tends to 675.84 R3 plus 12.8 R2. The equation becomes 32.8 minus 12.8 0 0 0 0 675.84 minus 419.84 0 0 0. This is 675.84. R3 means minus 12.8 plus 12.8 plus 12.8. R2 is 675.84. Next 675.84 into R3 25.6 plus 12.8 R2 minus 419.84. Next 675.84 into minus 12.8. This value 0. Next 0 0 minus 12.8, 25.6 minus 12.8, 0 0 0 minus 12.8, 32.8, 125, 17480. Next 675.84 into 250 plus 12.8 into 17480, 250, 725. I can return 32.8 minus 12.8, 0 0 0 0 675.84 minus 419.84, 0 0. Next 0, this value becomes 0. Next 11927.5. Next minus 8650.7. This value becomes 0 0 0 minus 12.8, 25.6 minus 12.8, 0 0 0 minus 12.8, 32.8, 725, 17480, 392704. This value 250, 725. Next R4 tends to 11927.5 R4 plus 12.8 R3, 32.8 minus 12.8, 0 0 0 0 675.84 minus 419.84, 0 0 0 0 11927.5 minus 8650.7, 0 0 0. Similarly 11927.5 R4 means into this value becomes 0. Next this value 11927.5 into 25.6 plus this value 0 0 minus 11927.5 into R4 how much minus 12.8 plus 12.8 into 11927.5. Next 86 11927.5 11927.5 into R4 25.6 plus 12.8 into minus 8650.7. Last one minus 12 plus 11927.5 into minus 12.8. This value becomes 0 plus 0. This value is 725, 17480, 392704. This is 11927.5 into 250 plus 12.8 into 392704. 392704. This value becomes 0 0 0 minus 12.8, 32.8, 725. This is also written as 32.8 minus 12.8, 0 0 0 0 675.84 minus 419.84, 0 0 0.0111927.5 minus 8650.7 0 0 0. This value becomes 0. This value 194615.04. Next, this value becomes minus 152670.72. 0 0 0 minus 12.8 32.8 725 17480 392704. This value 8008486.2. This value 725. So how much? 194615.04 R5 plus 12.8 R4 minus 12.8 0 0 0 0 675.84 minus 419.84 0 0 0 0 11927.5 minus 8650.7 0 0 0 0 194615.04 minus 152670.72 0 0 0 minus 12 point alpha decimal 194615.04 R5 minus 12.8 plus 12.8 R4 is how much? 194615.04. Similarly 194615.04 into R5 into 32.8 plus 12.8 into 1 minus 152670.72. This value 725 17480 392704 8008486.2. This value becomes 194615.04 R5 means into 725 plus 725 plus 12.8 into 8008486.2. This value becomes 32.8 minus 12.8 0 0 0 0 675.84 minus 419.84 0 0 0 0 11927.5 minus 8650.7 0 0 0 0 194615.04 minus 152670.72 0 0 0. This value becomes 0. This is value 4429188.35. This value becomes 725 17480 392704. This value 8008486.2. This value becomes 2.436 into 10 power 8. Equation can be written here 32.8 minus 12.8 0 0 0 0 675.84 minus 419.84 0 0. Next 0 0 11927.5 minus 8650.7 0 0 0 0 194615.04 minus 152670.72 0 0 0 0 4429,188.35. This is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 is equal to 725, 17480, 3927, 392704. Next 8008486.2, 2.436 into 10 power 8. To find the temperatures, 4429,188.35 T5 is equal to 2.436 into 10 power 8. 10 power 8. T5 equal to 2.436 into 10 power 8 divided by 4429,188.35. This becomes 54.99 is similar to 55 degrees centigrade. T5 is equal to 55 degrees centigrade. 194615.04 T4 minus 152670.72 T5 is equal to 8008486.2. 194615.04 T4 is equal to 8008486.2 plus 152670.72 into 55 degrees centigrade divided by 1. This value T4 equal to 8008486.2 plus 152670.72 into 55 by 194615.04. T4 becomes 84.29 degrees centigrade. This is 1111927.5 T3 minus 8650.7 T4 equal to 39270.4. T3 becomes 39204 plus 8650.7 into 84.29 divided by 11927.5. T3 is equal to 94.05 degrees centigrade. 6785.84 T2. This is, that means second row, second column. 675.84 T2, second row, first column. 0 into, this is 0 into T1 is 0. 67.84 T2 minus 419.84 T3. 0 into T4 0. 0 into T5 is equal to 0. That is equal to 17480. T2 is equal to 17480. 174 plus 419.84. T3 is, the T3 value is 94.05 divided by 67.84. T2 value is 84.28 degrees centigrade. 32.8 T1 minus 12.8 T2 is 0 to T3 0, 0 into T4 0, 0 into T5 0, that equal to 725. T1 is equal to 725 plus 12.8 into T2 is 84.28 by 32.8. T1 is equal to 55 degrees centigrade. A, the temperature distribution in the walls. T1 is equal to 55 degrees centigrade and T2 equal to 84.28 degrees centigrade. T3 equal to 94.05 degrees centigrade. T4 is equal to 84.29 degrees centigrade. T5 equal to 55 degrees centigrade. B. To find the heat flux. Equation Q equal to minus K by L minus 1 for element 1 T1 T2. Q1 equal to minus K1 by L1 0.8 by 0.0625. This becomes T2 minus T1. This value minus 0.8 by 0.0625. The T2 value is how much? T2 84.28 minus 55 is minus 375.04 watts per meter square. Similarly, Q2 is equal to minus K2 by L2 at the element 2 between the nodes T3 minus T2. Q3 is equal to minus K3 by L3 T4 minus T3. Similarly, calculation. Similarly, Q4 is equal to minus K4 L4 by T5 minus T4. Similar calculation. Next, at the C, heat loss from the right side of the wall. Heat loss from the right side of the wall surface, that is Q equal to Q loss or Q. Q loss equal to H into delta T. Delta T means T wall minus outer surface T infinity. That is Q loss is equal to, the H value is 20. T wall is equal to 55 minus 30. T wall means T wall is equal to T1. The wall T1 is equal to T wall minus 30. The value is 500 watts per meter square.